About a 20-minute drive from the Miami International Airport, a 10-minute drive from the Port of Miami, and a mile away from the Kaseya Center, the downtown Miami Hilton Hotel is nicely located.
I'm already getting better vibes from this hotel.
Yes,
Just like
it looks more classy.
more classy, Wi-Fi.
From the bellmen to the tablet displays, the ever so faint fruity smell coming from the diffuser, and the clean and well-decorated resort. If you're looking for a modern feel, this hotel could be for you. It's also worth noting they had a few check-in counters to help speed up the process. Check-in time is at 4 p.m. and checkout is at noon. The hallways were a bit dark due to the walls being a chocolatey brown color. I get a bit anxious about seeing what the hotel room will actually look like and if it will match up to the pictures on the website.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
This room did a good job at accurately portraying their room. We really like the subtle touches that were made, like having Cody's name on the TV screen to welcome us in the room. The Hilton is a well-known brand of hotels and offers a variety of rooms ranging from affordable to you might want to sell something for that. Just kidding. The rooms we opted for was a 2-queen bed with a Miami City view. The room was nearly 400 square feet and had some very comfortable sheets, 250 thread count to be exact. They had a 47-inch TV, an iron, a safe, and much more.
And it has this for an extra protection.
Where's the liquor? Where's the liquor cabinet? That's not very cold.
Maybe you can adjust it, see? Farting again. You stop farting.
Coffee.
Open it up. God, I have to hold my breath. Looks like they just freshly painted.
The bathroom was nice, and they offered some bar soap and other amenities that were unfortunately affixed to the wall. It would have been nice if this was a double sink and a frameless glass shower though. It's still a decent size and comes with a complimentary shampoo and conditioner affixed to the wall, of course. The glass shower would have been a nice touch because these curtains can be a bit of a nuisance. Those who know, know. I love the color palette in the bathroom, and the detachable shower head was a nice touch as well. Here is the view from our room. It's not a beach view, but it's not too shabby either. They have a fitness center which has most of your basic machines and weights. You will need your room card to get in. And on that note, you will need your room card in order to be able to use the elevator and move between floors. They have a good-sized business center with a printer and a screen that gives you updates on upcoming flights. But be aware, although the thermostat says it was near 70 Fahrenheit, it felt much colder. Much. They also offer on-site restaurants and a bar that we had to test out and just make sure it was in good working order.
I don't even know what you had, but it's made me want to vomit. Let's go. What was that?
The pool was a decent size, not overly crowded, and had a nearby bar to help keep us hydrated on hot days. They also offered lounge chairs that provided a good opportunity for sunbathing. If you've been here or found something we said helpful in deciding whether or not you should go, please comment and hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, take care.